Hi, this is the solution for the question 2 of homework 6 from Xiaoyuan. And firstly, we look at the question 2 first. It told us the joint density function about x and y. It is very easy. It is a constant function. And here we should notice that x and y is in a area of a circle, so we can draw like this. So the integral of this circle is the area of the circle. It is equal to pi. So for the first sub question A, it wants us to find B, so that it is correct. It is correct. It's a valid joint density function. It is very easy. We easily calculate the integral. We get that b equal to 1 over pi. And for the second sub question, it wants us to find the expectation about x and the condition of y. And here we should notice that here y is a fixed value. It is different from this one. This one here, x and y are both variables, and also similarly, it calculates the y, the expectation about y, and expectation about y, and the condition of x. X is a fixed value, and here x is the variables, and the expectation about x and y. And here, firstly, it is easy to calculate the expectation about x. Here we should notice that we should calculate the integral separately. First, we calculate the integral about y. We notice that when x is a fixed value, for example x here, we notice that the y is the y's range is from minus squared about 1 equals x squared to this one. It is very easy to calculate the integral first, and then we calculate the outer integral, and we notice that this function is an odd function. So this we calculate the integral of a symmetric about the y-x. So the result is 0. And we also easy to know that we should notice that the density function about x under condition of y, and the density function that y under condition x is also are also even functions. It is also even functions, because no matter the joint density function is also a even function, and the distribution about x and y is also symmetric, so it is a even function. So if we calculate the conditional expectation, we easily know these are also equal to 0. And besides, so for this one is also equal to 0. Yeah, that's because it only change the conditional variable from a fixed value into variables, and also for the expectation about y, it is similar to x, that is also 0. And for expectation about x and y, is also after calculation is also equal to 0. And for the third sub question, x, y are uncorrelated because the expectation about x times y is equal to expectation x times expectation about y. So it is a definition. So x and y are uncorrelated.